Bye guys, I hope your day's been good, but by watching this video, today we are going to be testing no glue slimes. So the no glue slime that you will need for this is a bowl or plate to mix in or mixed with, something to mix, shampoo or conditioner, it does not matter. They both are really good to use, and of course water. So by here you just want to add in some. Add in as much as you want. That's how much slime you will get. Whoa, I got a lot. Okay, let's just get moved. Okay, so guys, if we had an accident, it is falling out of the bowl. So we're gonna try to keep it in the bowl. So now that you have as much as you want, you can just add in a little bit of water. So let me see how much you can measure with. Okay, so this is literally just add like a couple pumps of this. Whoa, so you see my little baby bottle? That is literally how much you need. So I'm just gonna pour it in the cap, and you cannot, because guys, if you don't know, you have to be very careful with the water, or else the water will just literally take over. So you gotta be really careful with that. So I'm just gonna pump it up into. So now that I have my baby bottle full, so now I'm just gonna mix with this. So yeah. Just keep mixing, And guys, it already looks like it's starting to thicken up. Okay, so now I'm going to pour in some more water into the cap. Okay, so now I'm just going to grab some. So yeah, guys, so now we're just going to keep on mixing, and now you just want to let it sit for about 45 minutes, and I will post tomorrow about it and keep you guys updated about it. And tomorrow I'll also be posting a video, and more today I will be posting, just because okay, there's some more on the cap, so I'm just going to let this sit for a couple of days or a couple of nights and see how it turns out. And yeah, guys, so if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and give me a big thumbs up. Okay, guys, and the keyword today was, and if you guys can guess what it was, I may give you guys a shout out. Bye.